Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a full highlight. This is my client here. It's been quite some time since she's come in, but we're going to be taking her a little lighter, so I'm going to be going in and doing some highlights. Now today I'm going to be using my board just because I felt like it. I was feeling like lately my highlights have been slipping a little bit, so I was feeling a little discouraged. So I was like, you know what? I got to bring my board out today. You know, after 10 years of doing hair, I still have my moments, I still have my days, so that's why I brought my board out for today. But if you have been having a hard time with like foil slipping, or you just feel like you can't get it tight enough to the root, highly recommend one of these boards. So for bleach, I'm using Shwartzkopf Blonde Me with a 7 volume developer. She's already gotten lightened ends from her mid shaft to ends, as you guys could see. So I want to keep her integrity of the hair super good still. We do not want any breakage, but I also do want to lighten it all together. Okay, so after I'm done foiling, I'm gonna go in and balayage certain pieces. Now I am balayaging a little bit below the crown, like in these areas, just because these are previously lightened, and I just wanna brighten them up a little bit more. Okay, so now that she is processing, as you guys could see, the balayage parts are looking so good. They're starting to lighten. The blend looks really good. So when we take out the foils, everything's gonna blend super seamlessly. Now, one thing, I did let her process for almost 45 minutes to an hour, but for the toner, I'm going to be going in with Redken Shades EQ 9N and 8GI, and I'm also going to be going in with an 8NA. My client does love more of the cool natural tones. She does not like golden, so we're going to stay away from those. Now, for the root tap, root mount, I'm going to be using a 6N and a 6GI. So right now I'm applying that root tap. I am tapping it a little further down like I usually would when it comes to somebody who still has dimension. Now if they wanted to be like a platinum blonde, I would usually just do a tap and I would not drag it down anymore. With this, the reason why I'm going in with a 6N is because my client naturally is a 4 and a 5. In between, I would say, and I don't want her to have a very harsh grow out, to where with that 6 it's going to blend super nice. That way when her natural does grow out, you don't see that harsh line of her dark hair and the highlights.
Invincible.
This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more, don't forget to comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. My client just loves her hair. She's the sweetest thing ever. I think this color just sits so well with her skin tone. And yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time.